Good morning, everyone. It's December 19th, the morning market rundown. Let's get into this price action. So, yesterday, we could see we had this huge down candle, and really, it just broke every single level of potential interest that we talked about. 603, you could see no buyers stepped up. 602, no buyers stepped up. The election VWAP, no buyers stepped up. So, you could see that this no buyers stepped in, and right now it looks like you're finally starting to get a little bit of a bounce in the pre-market. So here's our 2-day VWAP at 594.81. So perhaps that's the first key level of interest, and we get some pullback to the daily VWAP, and then could start to see some type of direction, whether we want to consolidate, break down, consolidate, break up. So you could see from yesterday's map out that we had, let's go 30-minute time frame. We had the 2-day VWAP, the anticipated price action got here. We had a little bit of profit taking, was wanting to see this rally here and get back above the daily VWAP. But you could see right here, once we started to break below that VWAP, going to a 10-minute period. Once we started to, and it really happened fast, you could see 2-minute period. It is just that 2-minute close was from 6:05 to 6:04.08. So that was your close, and it closed beneath the 2-day VWAP. So it was a big change in character once it broke down from the month-to-date VWAP, week-to-date, and the daily VWAP. So for today, we'll see if we could continue to get maybe this bounce into this 597. Maybe we get a little bit push to the 602 and then consolidate back here at this 590 area, and then either create an inside day or something. If we continue to consolidate and we break this 585.57, if we could continue to hold this VP node, maybe we could push back in near that election VWAP, this 598.15, back into this VP area, and this potential band of support or resistance. So you can see in the daily time frame that 0.618 retracement from this fib extension is right here with this VWAP from the handoff of the year-to-date volume weighted average price. So maybe we're going to get a little bit more downside, and then we can start to get some continuation and pick back up, catch a bounce. So that's the price action I'm looking for on the SPY, QQQ. Did the same thing here. Pull back to the 20-day moving average. This prior band of resistance could potentially act as support. Right. Sync this up in both charts. And that's where we came down to. So we're catching that bounce like on the SPY. So what we could do is put a view out this recent peak, and we could see that maybe that's a potential level for right here. So first potential level is 522.42. Create this double top area. Maybe create undercut VWAP. Maybe we come down here, create a head, could rally back above shoulder to get us back going into this 530. So just potential scenarios. Maybe we're able to hold a daily VWAP, break this area, trade into the 2-day, month to date, get some more profit taking, and even rally back up that week to date, which you could see here. Prior level of support up in this area, and prior level of support, resistance, came support that month to date, week to date at 530. So gotta let this digest. Could be good day trading. So let's see what happens today. If this could hold the daily VWAP, rally into 522.40, consolidate or get some profit taking back to the daily VWAP, feel that push to the 2-day and month to date, then I think we could get to that month to date, squeeze anybody out short, push us back into this week to date volume weighted average price. So hopefully this was helpful.